Forces convoy. That's probably the car that the Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani is riding on. It's being showered with rose petals by the MQM workers who are present at the headquarters to welcome the Prime Minister. Prime Minister has arrived at the headquarters of the MQM 90 in Karachi. He is there for crucial talks today with the MQM leadership. Several MQM workers and leaders are present. They will be participating in talks with the Prime Minister. Haider Abbas Rizvi is present. Faisal Sabzwari is also present. MQM leader Babar Ghori, as you can see on your screens right there, he is also present, greeting the Prime Minister. Prime Minister Sindh also being accompanied by Governor Sindh, Dr. Ishratul Abad. Let's now talk to our Karachi correspondent Sabeen Agha, who's at the headquarters right now. Sabeen, describe to us what's happening there.
Well, Mavish, the Prime Minister, where we are standing at the press gallery, we cannot see the Prime Minister directly. However, we see what we can see is there's a lot of activity. All the Muttahida Qawmi Movement workers are chanting slogans for the arrival to receive the Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani, his arrival at the Muttahida Qawmi Movement. There's a lot of cheering. People are clapping also. And they're also chanting slogans to receive the Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani, who's arrived here to meet the leaders of Muttahida Qawmi Movement here following their resignation from the Federal Cabinet a couple of days back. I mean, this is his arrival here is seen as a very important step. It is seen as a very important, high-profile, hectic effort from the government's side to normalize the relations with their strong allies, Muttahida Qawmi Movement, who had a lot of reservations which rose following some of the PPP ministers giving inflammable statements against Muttahida Qawmi Movement in Karachi, and also the reservations that Muttahida Qawmi Movement had about the increase in fuel prices and the commissionerate system and some other issues. So the Prime Minister has arrived here at the headquarters of Muttahida Qawmi Movement 90 in Karachi to discuss all these issues with the local leadership of Muttahida Qawmi Movement. I can see that he has now arrived here and he's been received by Haider Abbas Rizvi, Babar Ghori, Faisal Sabzwari, and members. I can also see Nasreen Jalil, Mustafa Kamal here. He has been received by all these leaders and he's also accompanied by the Interior Minister Rahman Malik. He's also with him, so they are now entering. And I can also see Dr. Ishratul Abad, who's the Governor of Sindh, is also accompanying the Prime Minister. They are now, and also the Chief Minister. They are now entering the door of the headquarters of 90. They have entered inside the headquarters.